Hey, welcome to Beerstories. I've just bought a FastWasher. Basically what it is, it's an automatic washer for my bottles with a pump. And this video is about how to assemble it. There are some very important points that I need to say. Follow the instructions. In the instructions it says that you have to follow a certain path when screwing in the screws. It's really important to take the corners first, and that's, well, if you ever worked on a motorcycle or a car, you know why. It's because to make it so watertight that it can be. There's no seal in here, so it's not completely watertight. But if you screw together the corners first, and follow the path around, it will be as watertight as it can be. As you can see in here, there's a kind of a star, and in the arms of this star there are the channels where you have to place the bottles over here. So the water runs up, get pressed out through these and up through the funnel here. Yeah, so that's the easy part, just screwing it together. It's very important as well when you assemble the pump. There's an arrow on the back here, you can't see that probably, but the cord has to be pointing towards the arrow. I don't know why actually, but it's really important, it says in the manual, so do that. According to the manual, you have to start with the corners. So I've done that, and then just followed the guide here. And I screwed on the pump. The arrow is pointing down now. You can't see that, but the cord has to point in the direction of the arrow, and then just put on the feet, and then I'm done. So I'm just gonna assemble this, and then I have to clean some of my bottles because I have a beer I need to fill, tap onto bottles right now. So in the description there's a video on how to use this. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. If you have any questions for me, you can write to me there, or you can write down in the comments as well. Please click like and subscribe. Then you'll get the newest videos directly in the YouTube feed, and you'll make me very happy as well. So yeah, but if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Otherwise, then just have happy brewing out there.